Shalom. Ay, pit ko. Kung anong dilim ko. Kasarang sa hangin. Lalo na kung tambayan na talaga yung matapos na yun. Mahali yun, ano.
Bakal ka ng hoy! Sabihan mo si mama mo, 250 lang yun.
Napabakalong, pwede man duwa na pago. Tarapok na yun ang gulo ninyo. Nakato ka na? Saraduhan mo lang sa
Thank you sa 2 million. Ano naman?
Mahali lang kami. Kaya na, masabay na ako sa'yo. Natakot ako kang tita ko, mainitong po ako.
Ano ka malito?
Eh, nilas ko.
Ano ka malito? Ano ka malito?
Hello, honey.
Oo.
Hi, honey. Randy Lee. Hi, Randy Lee. Mainit. Sa Sabado may ref na ako. Sana kayo.
Ano, tama-tama lang bakal mo hindi daw ako. Kaya kung daw ako makikuhinti yung...
Oo.
So, depende yun sa kuwan.
Oo. Sa ano lang. Sige. Are you at work? I'm at my co-work rest place. Yeah, he's the owner. Ay, wow, sana si Shalom. May paano pala to? Hindi ko na pala ipilit ano. Kaya may pang ganun pala siya. Ayan. He's the owner of this home. Rest place. Break time. So, hi Christian Laghe. Happy morning. Hi, happy morning. Daghan na tulos sa naging mo doon. Nahin na tulos. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sa YouTube ako nakala.
YouTube yun.
Hi, thank you for that sa 20 million in the house. Salamat. Daghan na. Dati pag nag-live ako sa iyo,
Paano mag-live sa YouTube?
kay Puhan, naka 500 subscribers ka.
Saan una? Paano ko nag-live? Nagbatong.
Lang, naki-support baga ako sa saro. Hanggang sana maipon ko nagtios ako sa mga maski lang. Tigsaro-saro hanggang sa maipon ko siya. Thank you, Spring Vlog. Hi sister, I'm from India, Telugu. Hi, very good place. Thank you. Stephen Carpenter, good morning. You. Hi, where are you from, Stephen? Are you single? Si Ma'am, paano naghahanap siya sa wahon? Mamel, gusto may naghahanap din, naghahanap man, mga Amerikano. Are you single, sir? Spencer. May logo siya. I like you. Thank you, Pavan. Maurice Edwards, hi. Maurice. Wala ni Mama natin man. Sige. May inanuhan na ako, nasaro ko nakabat sa Amerika man. Yan, nag-istoryahan na sira. Makanian lalaki sa June. Hi, Steve. Hi, Steve from USA. Yes, Bo. My
Naimod yun?
comment.
Sa comment
Sa
lang.
comment.
Pag-una ko sa kuwan.
There. Pwede mo man sira join the live. Steve, are
Nag-live
you
lang
sing?
sila.
Ako nag-live. Sira?
Tapos ikaw nag-kuwan.
You are very beautiful. Thank you, Anthony. Esther, my mom finding someone. How old are you, Stephen? Hi. Hi, Steve. Maurice Edwards. Hi, Maurice. ano.
Nagdangay.
Oo, sa ragdangay ang surat. Hi, Spring Vlog. Hello, ma'am, big brother. Magandang umaga. Kumusta po dyan? Taga saan ka po sa Pinas? Taga Bicol po. Bicolana. Where are you? Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Sir Steve. Shout the host afternoon. Hi, Maribel. There is no more than one Steve here. Why? How old are you? I'm 40 years old. Stephen. Irog sa diho. Bicol ka pala. Opo, Bicol po. Bicolana. Which island? Philippines, Bicol Province, Erusin, Sorsogon, Subay, Shabu, Subash, Babo. Santa Rosa, Laguna Province po ako, FW. Okay. Hi po. Subas, Babu. Saan ka sa Bicol? Sorsogon po. Sorsogon, Erusin, Sorsogon. Maribel. Awesome. Thank you. Turugog na ako. Okay. How far are you from Biliran? Very far. Marcos wrote, hi! Welcome back, Marcos. Di ka pala Moni. Hindi pa po ako Moni. Sorry. Hindi pa ako monetize. Yes. Anak mo, ilang taon ka na po, anak? Ha?
Ako.
Anak ko. Naging anak ko, lugod yung kaabay ko. Ayun po. Daytime there, yes. Day here, Marcos. Day here. What time is it? 12:30. 12:30 here. Who's Marcos? I thought we had something. Huh? Steve? Magkano na ba sisi ko watch hour mo? 700. 700 pa lang. Is it 12:30 a.m. here? Okay.
Hindi same.
That's my babe. Lol.
PM naman dito.
Ano, alas 12 yan, ano sa kanila, didi, ano, aga, hapon. Can you be my LDR friend? Yes, can we friend? Hello, Ramin. How old are you, Stephen Carpenter? Why no PayPal account? No PayPal account? No, bro. Ramen, thank you for the thumbs up. Have a good day. Thank you, Ramen. Yeah, bro. 47. Young. You're young. Tama lang. Punta ka lagi sa live ko, Sisi Koy, para matulungan kita para mabilis ka ng mag-tricky. Okay, sige po. Sige po, thank you po, Maribel Jenny. Vimy, Pogi Channel, Tamsaktan. Salamat po sa patamzak. We're getting married, right? Ha? Ano ba yan? Ha? What? We're getting married daw. Hindi ba kita nakilala? Matulungan kita si Koy. Sige po, salamat po. Salamat po, Mama Rebel. Thank you. Matulungan kita. Thank you po. Tatay, nanay, pamilya mo na, kumusta sa mga magulang mo na mapagmahal po. Salamat po. Why no super chat? No super chat. I'm not yet monetized. If I monetize, I have super chat. No super chat yet. How did someone send you money with no PayPal? Huh? How did someone send you money with no PayPal? With no PayPal? What do you mean, big brother? Subscribe na kita, sisi ko eh. Sige po, thank you Maribel. Thank you Mama Maribel, Jane.
May paper.
How do you do that? What do you mean? How do you do that? Vote Street Team. Vote Street Team Duterte. Ayun ang kabutang pa hindi. Asawa mo? Dalin. Stephen Carpenter. Babae yan. Asawa. Hi, Stephen Carpenter. Hello. Sorry, how does someone send you money not having a PayPal account?
May sayo pa nga isuon. Sulod man ako sa nuha dito sa hindi rin talaga makabasa lang sa to. Kamuna duwa.
Chat room.
Diri, mayroon pa sa'yo. Ikaw nagtatawag man ang kuwang.
Antonio Channel. Hi.
Ang mayroon itong tawag sa ito.
How do we send money to you? You will send me money. You willing to send me money, Marcos? Thank you, Marcos. Hindi ko nagatag kwarta. Gusto magatag kwarta. Paano ko nun niya ako matagang kwarta? Paano ko nun? Through I don't know. I have no people. No people. I don't know where. I don't know. Hello. But if you have a suggestions, if you know how to send me money, Joy, thank you. Appreciate. I really appreciate. Try to open a people account. Do you have a sister? Yeah, I have a sister. I have people account but need to bank account. I have no bank account. How long until you get monetized? I need to reach 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. Need to reach the goal. I hope you get it soon. Yeah, thank you. I hope I get it soon. Being monetized. Thank you guys. I will put in a bottle I'm putting in the ocean for you. Ha? Talaga? Really? Big brother. Where are you from, big brother?
Taga din sa simbreng bago.
Where are you from, big brother? Taga din daw to. Ocean. I will put in a bottle I'm putting in the ocean for you. Grabe na to na po.
Parehas yun. Susungkitin ko.
Wow.
Yan. Susungkitin ko ang butiwin.
Eric Parker. Hi, Sir Eric Parker. Hi po. Where are you from, Eric Parker? Sa pangalan pa lang ini. Mga ano na ini.
Oh.
How old is your sister? I'm the youngest. Is 42. 42. 46.
Sa Texas man yun. No?
North Carolina. Life Travel USA. Wow. Sana all. How old are you, Parker? Big Brother, Texas. Wow. What part, Big Brother? What part you live in Texas, Big Brother? Life Travel USA. Hi, hello. Thank you for joining our live. Thank you po. Puro mga Amerikano ha. Puro mga USA ka. North Carolina, ano man yan, USA. Cheryl, who you from? Cheryl, who you? No, from Texas. Hello, guapa, Cheryl. Hi, Biglan. I'm in the Funky Town. Funky Town. Hula hula. Ronald, hula hula. Double tap your screen, like, subscribe, everyone. Yes. You too, sister. Thank you to Life Travel USA. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. 19. North Carolina si ano. Hinahanapan ko si Mama. Sino kaya? Maswerte. New subscriber love. Hi. Thank you for the subscribe. New subscriber. Thank you sa nag-subscribe. Salamat. Ano na naman. Like, done, sister. Thank you, Life Travel USA. Thank you so much. From South India. Okay. Thank you so much. New subscriber loves. Saludos desde Chile, Corazon. Taga Chile. Shout out. Saludos desde Chile, Corazon. Thank you for subscribing me. Thank you so much. Ronald, what do you do there? Rest. Just rest. Summer feels here in Philippines, Bicol province. Summer here. Hotshot. Hi, Hotshot. Would love to visit. Yeah, thank you. Are you single, Sir Eric? Hi, Hotspot. Hotspot. How are you? I'm fine, Sir Hotspot. Hotspot.
Yes.
Hamid, yes.
Yes ko no.
Are you?
Single si Parker.
You are single. How old are you, Sir Eric Parker? Yum Yum Burger. Nabuhay ka. Saan ka na naman nagpunta? Love you. Thank you, Hamid. Do you remember? Of course. Naalala kita. I remember you, Yum Yum. I always remember you. Can you do private chat? Where? Chat me in private. Cheryl Marmol, my messenger. Hi, T. I'm back. Bernok! Nabuhay ka! Nako, nagpakasal ka na, no? Sir Eric Parker. No. No? No? Why no? Sir Eric. Hindi pa. Next month pa. Sana all. Moy Algeria. Hi, shout out to Algeria. Really, why no? No, why no? What happened? Why no?
Nagkuhan na bisita ng sambukid. Ano ko?
Oh. Bagan titutuga ang bukid ha? Aninit ha? What happened? Why no? Big brother, it's my birthday. Ah, okay. Chat Eric and because you remember me. Yes, because remember my mom Mel. Remember? No, not no,
Pero konti lang naman.
no, you overthink him. That's what you think. I want to help your family with stuff. You can ask others on YouTube. I just help people out. Thank you, big brother. Can you do private? Why no? Algeria nor the Africa? Africa? Africa. Yung ka. What do you mean? That happened. Hi, Mike. Kami to Philippines. Thank you po. Alala. Saan po? Station, kunyada po na pwede man po i-put waiting out. I feel like today it's my today. Thank you. So, da-da-da-da-da, what do you mean? Hello, Cheryl. Hi, Daddy. Big Daddy to sick. Thank you, Eric Porter. I know it's not private here. Ah, okay. Yeah, not private here. Everyone can read here. You're right. Do I need to send you reference to people to know that my world is good? Really, Carlos? You the one with Ruby? Carlos? Carlos? Where's Carlos? Tell us thing like being toxic. Yes, the one with Ruby. Huh? Big Daddy. The one with Ruby? Is it? Wow, Tim, you got this, bro. Not ever on here is a bad person. Right here. Big Daddy. What? What's happening? Nangaturog ako. Fall asleep. Kuya Bobby, 23 love. Katatapos lang ng aking live kaya umikot upang makapag-suporta sa mga nag-live. Thank you po, Kuya Bobby. Sir Kuya Bobby, thank you so much. He said he was Big Daddy Carlos. He said he was. Huh? Daddy Carlos? Daddy Carlos? Big Daddy? Wow. It's me, Carlos. Ah, Carlos. It's you, sorry. Hi. That's what he said. Say, okay. How are you? Panabo Tutagong. I'm the one talking to Ruby. Wow, that's good.